Hi guys! Welcome to my lunch. Not lunch, I'm so sorry, dinner. Today is magdi-dinner kami ng samak.
You want to learn my English?
Samak and fish. Fish. Hush! 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 This one is lazy girl.
This one
Tingnan
is
niyo, oh.
potato.
Oh, not potato, tomato. Okay? This one achar. Oh, di ba? Achar another her. Then this one is this one is
This one is portugal.
Mapi bertukala di lemon. Oh, istrag. Apa Maria so paperan? Iskitaran asawi. This one is
Clean.
too much clean daw. Trabaho ni Maria magli siya ng samak. Ayan oh, di ba? And then andyan tayo sa labas. Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin, mga guys.